How to change the playback speed in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and select the clip you want to adjust in the timeline. Right-click on the clip to open the context menu. From there, choose Change Clip Speed. A new window will appear showing the current speed percentage. To make the clip play faster, increase the speed percentage above 100. For example, setting it to 200 will double the playback speed. To slow down the clip, reduce the speed below 100, such as 50, which will play it at half speed. Next, you can decide if you want to maintain the pitch of the audio. If you want the audio to sound normal, even when the speed changes, make sure the pitch correction box is checked. If not, the audio will speed up or slow down with the video. After setting this speed, click Change. You will see the clip length adjust in the timeline according to the new speed. Additionally, DaVinci Resolve allows you to use the retime controls for more flexible speed adjustment. Select the clip, then click the small speedometer icon below the timeline or press Ctrl+R. This opens the retime bar. If you want precise speed control, click the drop-down arrow on the retime bar and select a specific speed percentage or add speed points to vary the speed at different sections. Finally, once you are happy with the speed changes, play back your clip to check how it looks and sounds. Make any fine adjustments by repeating the steps. And that's it. Now you know how to change the playback speed in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.